Top 5 highest paying jobs here in the Philippines. Gusto mo bang malaman kung nasa listahan ng trabaho mo? Let's break it down. And I'll tell you why high salary doesn't always mean financial freedom. So according to JobStreet and PayScale data, here are the top 5 IT software engineers. Dahil sa tech boom ngayon, developers easily earn 80 to 250,000 a month, especially kung may foreign clients or cloud certifications. Doctors and specialists, matagal ang schooling pero once established, 100 to 500,000 per month na kagad yun. Corporate executives, managers, directors, CFOs, and department heads, kaya umabot ng 200 to 400,000 with bonuses pa yun. Pilots and aviation professionals, wow! Licensed pilots can earn 250,000 a month dahil sa high skill and global demand. Lawyers and finance experts, especially those in big firms or multinational companies, nasa 150 to 300,000 with retainer clients and commissions pa. Wow! Pero ito ang real talk. Kahit 300,000 na sweldo mo, kung ang lifestyle mo naman is 310,000, wala rin difference sa kumikita ng 30,000 na ang lifestyle ay 25,000. Baka kumikita pa yung mga mas maliit ang kinikita. Wealth isn't about income. It's about how you manage and multiply it. Sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. Kaya kung gusto mong gawing tunay na asset ang income mo, kahit 20,000, 50,000, or 200,000 pa yan, kailangan mo ng system na nagtuturo paano mag-ipon, mag-invest, at magtayo ng passive income. Diyan papasok ang Quantum Investor Challenge, 30 days, 197 lang. You will learn paano ma-automate ang pagyaman mo kahit busy ka sa schedule mo. Sana Pips Tip, don't just chase higher pay, chase better money habits.